STSS stock. The company has since implemented a reverse split, hence the price we're looking at right now. As things stand right now as well, we have that its float is just 50,000 shares. 50,000, that's, really micro, that's really nano. And the market cap is like $230,000. You can easily see that is absolutely, it's like a house without doors and windows, easily manipulated, can be manipulated. You need to be really careful dealing with the stock. We have an intraday low of 4.33. There's a good chance that it may even plunge further for maybe a pump to occur somewhere. At this sort of lows as well, a pump can equally occur. And uh, just be really careful. A pump can occur, a rock pull can equally occur. So I really can't say it. I'm tempted to say that maybe they will pump it up and then do a rock pull, or the patterns we've seen before with some stocks like JYD or FTMO or something like that, FMTO, one of those. Just gradually building up strength and looking tidily, or rather tidily progressing up the chart, and then suddenly they do another rock pull. And any of these can happen. Any of this can happen. The company had to do a reverse split 1 to 300 because it had to meet compliance. But as things stand right now, we don't exactly know if it's machines or humans that are be messing around with the stock. Let's see now what's going on. You can see we have prices like $160. It's because of the reverse split. And that's that rock pool that happened on the 10th. Was it? No, it was actually on the 28th of March that it happened. Yeah. So since that time, stock has been consolidating. Underlying trend on this 4-hour chart is a bearish one. Yeah. So in terms of projections, do we even talk about that? Do we need to talk about that? We have 6.1, 6.69, 7.05. Yeah, just be really careful. The lower prices are projected. So either of any possibility any extreme possibility is what you should expect on the stock at the moment. So we can see some volatility expansions here going on here. This happened on the 30th of April. Yeah. Yeah, so just be really careful here. The the big the major red flags are the or rather are the very low float stock, $230,000. You probably have that in your account. By that I mean, since it's that low, it can somebody can just simply stay somewhere, use machines or bot or so, without even using that, just begin to try to influence the price, maybe in the post market or in the pre market session. There are things like that. And then the fact that it's also a low float stock, so the fact that it's a low float stock will ensure that a lot of eyes will be watching it. A lot of it will have a decent amount of attention. 50,000, definitely. We'll be watching to see what's going on, what will happen here. Yeah, I'm tempted to try to compute upper projections, but the stock is just too highly risky, and a lot of people might be negatively affected. So trying to give or project the sort of prices you can print to is not doesn't sound appealing at all. So if you didn't know, they have done a reverse split. They have done so, and has now reduced the floats, and the market has reduced the floats seriously for 50,000. Market cap has since reduced as well because it hasn't recovered from those losses. And I think before then it was not doing that fantastic either. So just be careful out there, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.